guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to my book haul. And what I got today, everything I'm going to show you was $22. So I got the tour book and I got that for just collaging. Nothing special. I'm just going to tear it all up and put it on paper. And then I got this. This has artwork in it. So I'm thinking about, oops, I got it upside down. I want to make an art journal with it. Like put little watercolor pages in it. And it's got these little art samples that come off. They actually lift off. So there's just a lot of different things in here, and I thought this would make a cool art journal, right? Got that. Then I bought a Holy Bible, and this is a 365 daily reading Bible with special prayer helps. Then this one is a Bible journal. And that's just for me. And then this is the Washington Post commemorative edition, newspaper headlines of your day. And this was February 5th, 1930, that all of these, I'm not sure, I don't think these all came out in February, but these are all just new, just the Post. And I'm going to copy dye these like I did the other one, and then make a journal with it. Be kind of cool. All right, and then I got these Audubon Society Pocket Guides, Familiar Birds of North America, and I thought, wouldn't these make great postcards? This one was $5, and it is an antique. It's 1938. It's not quite copyright free yet until 2038, but I'll just use it for the pages. And I'm going to make a journal cover. Isn't that cool with that silver on the front and the back? And then this one, it didn't have a copyright date, so I'm not going to use this one other than for the journal cover and pages. And then this one, and it's going to make a spectacular journal. The Inner Shrine. She's all dressed up there. I may just put some, put some like that newspaper stuff, like the old headlines. Put that there. But we'll use the pages for, collage, making tags, whatever we want. And then I got this one, and this one is from 1859. And this one I got for $1. But look at the beautiful pages in it, which are brittle, beyond brittle, beyond brittle. So I think what I'm going to do is scan some of these pages and hang on to them, and then the rest I'm going to collage with. And then I got a couple of magazines and a big book. I got the Hummingbird book, which is just what it says. Hummingbirds. Look, that guy's somebody's holding that hummingbird. That would be cool. I gotta put out my hummingbird feeders. And then I got the Wildlife of Utah. Nothing special other than it's got some pretty good postcard material in here. Pretty good stuff. And then this I thought would be good for, this one had like some already made tags in it. Like there were a few. Let me see, like her, she would make a good tag. There were a few in here already made like that. It was the first time you open it, there's one too. As soon as you open the book, I mean. I thought this was a cool something to have. See, look at that. Is that not cool? Right away, first thing out of the book is a tag. All right, so I got that and that and that, and then this is the Ohio Theater, and look at this. I mean, you could cut that out and just put it in a journal, right? These would be really cool. And then we have, I like this one too because it's almost a complete matte finish. Some cool stuff to play with. Lots of cool stuff in here to play with. So I'll get these all dismantled and ready to put in a journal. I'll do a lot of die cuts with this too. We won't even recognize it when we're through destroying it. So that was that. So and then I got this, and it has these perfect ovals. I thought maybe I could cut them out and use them to close, to make a closer for a journal, collages. What are they called? Yeah, collages, not collages, clusters, all kinds of stuff. Okay, guys, that was that. I did get some Temu stuff, but I didn't feel like digging it out just yet. Most of it was stencils, so that when I get ready to coffee dye paper, I can. Okay, you all have a great rest of your week. I appreciate all of you for joining me here today to see what I got. And hopefully you will craft along. We will still be working in the Winnie the Pooh book here soon. Soon. So you've got another, if you want to craft along, you got another week before I actually start working in this. And we'll get going on that. So appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.